The word afford is very useful in English. It helps to talk about what someone can or cannot do, especially with money or time. Afford means to have enough money, time, or resources to do something. We use afford when we talk about both money and time. It shows if something is possible for us. When we say afford, we mean we have enough money or time to do something without a problem. Let's look at how we use afford with money. I can afford a new book. This means I have enough money to buy a new book. She cannot afford a big house. This means she does not have enough money to buy or pay for a big house. We can afford to eat out tonight. This means we have enough money to go to a restaurant and enjoy a meal. Now let's see how we use afford with time. I can afford to rest today. This means I have enough time to take a break and relax. He cannot afford to be late. This means he does not have enough time to waste, or being late would cause a problem. Afford is not the same as want. You may want something, but you may not afford it. Afford is also not the same as need. You may need something, but still not afford it. To make a question, we say, can you afford it, or can she afford to go? To make a negative sentence, we say, I can't afford it, or he cannot afford to buy it. We often use afford with to and a verb. For example, I can afford to travel. Let's practice. Complete this sentence, I can afford to blank. You can say, I can afford to study, or I can afford to relax. A common mistake is saying, I afford it. That is wrong. Always use can or cannot with afford. Here are some helpful tips. Use afford to talk about money or time. Remember to use can or cannot before it. To summarize, afford means to have enough money or time to do something. We use afford with can, cannot, or could. It is followed by to and a verb. Practice example 1. Can you afford to buy a car? Practice example 2. I can't afford to travel this year. Practice example 3. We can afford to take a short break. In real life, people use afford when talking about shopping, travel, or daily plans. Learning afford helps to talk clearly about what is possible with money or time. Now a quick quiz. What does afford mean? The answer is, it means to have enough money or time to do something. Keep practicing using afford in sentences every day. Let's review. Afford shows if we have enough money or time. Use it with can or cannot. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Keep studying and improving your English every day.